In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send invoices on PayPal, a simple task that you can complete in about 5 minutes. Generating an invoice is an essential part of managing any business, big or small, and with PayPal, this process is streamlined and user-friendly. Let's walk through each step to ensure you have a clear understanding of how it's done. First, head over to the PayPal website. If you're not already familiar, PayPal is a robust platform that serves as a mobile wallet and offers many features for both personal and business use. For this tutorial, we need to focus on logging into your account, so click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your PayPal dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step involves a quick security check. PayPal might prompt you to choose how you would like to receive a security code, through WhatsApp text or a standard text message. This is a straightforward step, and it's all about protecting your account. Enter the received code to proceed to your main dashboard. Now you're on the PayPal homepage, which serves as the central hub for all your account activities. Here you'll notice several options, but our focus today is on creating an invoice. You'll find the option to create an invoice either directly on the homepage or under the Tools section. Click that and you'll be taken to the invoice creation page. Here is where we add the specifics. PayPal provides a straightforward template for adding all necessary invoice details. This includes input fields for the recipient's email, the items or services being billed, and importantly, customizable sections like adding your own company logo if you wish. Be as detailed as necessary. Accurate descriptions and pricing will ensure there's no confusion later on. Once you've filled out all the required fields on the invoice form, take a moment to review everything to avoid discrepancies with your clients. Double check that the information is correct, as this is crucial for clarity and efficient payment processing. The last step in this process is simply clicking the send button. With that, your invoice is immediately on its way to the recipient's email. PayPal also allows you to track your invoices so you can easily follow up with clients who haven't paid yet, maximizing your payment efficiency, and that's it. With PayPal, creating and sending invoices is an easy, secure, and efficient process. Whether you're new to PayPal or just need a refresher, these steps will help you manage your business transactions seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your invoicing process.